Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you this awesome workout tool called the Quantum ExcelFIT. This is a multifunctional exercise assistant meant to improve the way you exercise so you can get a total body workout from the comfort of your own home. Let's set it up. First, we're going to slide the 4 foam rollers onto the bars. Then insert the top bar by sliding it into the base until it clicks. Next, we're going to install the suction cup. Press firmly and lock into place. Lastly, I'm going to adjust the height of the sit-up bar to get the perfect height. This is going to help with burning fat, building strength, improving flexibility, and getting a total body workout. Some workouts include sit-ups, elbow planks, supported shoulder stand, push-up, hip bridge, side straddle, side scissors, lunges, and many more. What I love is that this is great for any fitness level, and I can use it to work out anywhere around my house. I could feel it working throughout my entire body, and I could really feel it improving my flexibility. I will definitely be including this in my daily workouts. The ExcelFIT is my new favorite workout buddy.